Hey guys, it's Allison here, and I am trying to pick papers for my next kit for Clear the Desk. And I gotta say, I'm having a hard time. Chamel's sort of challenge to us was to pick them from two different collections. And, well, I don't store my papers by collection, so I had to literally go through everything in my racks there and pull out what I could find. And as I was going through them, I gravitated towards the pink paisley papers that I have, and I'll show you those in a minute. And then I was trying to find ones that went with it, and I realized I had sort of bits and pieces from Amy Tangerine and Dear Lizzy that I don't have full collections, just sort of the odd paper. So I thought I could mix those three collections and work from there. The colors are pretty good. Some of the Amy Tangerine ones are a bit brighter than especially the pink paisley, but I think I can make it work. So I've got a bigger kit than required. So let's go through them. So first off, the papers from the Paige Evans collection. So I believe this is her first collection because it's just titled Paige Evans. So number 2. Number 3, this is the one that I used as my cut apart in my first kit, and I still have another sheet of it. So I obviously had 3 sheets at one point because I did find a partial sheet in my scrap bin that I haven't even cut into yet. This is number 5. So a good single color option, but I am really drawn to that as well. So I'm tempted to use this as my bold pattern jumping off point. But there's a couple other options that I'll show you as well. Number 9. There's a lot of pink in this collection, which works for my girls. So, hey, we'll go with it. This is number 11. I love this sort of watercolor look. And there's a very subtle script in the background. And then this is, I don't know what collection this is from. It just says Pink Paisley number 3. It's not a Paige Evans one. It doesn't have her signature on it. But I thought this could be a really good neutral, this sort of black and white. And then we get into my other ones. So these are in, I think, in date order of release, but don't quote me on that. So this is from Amy Tangerine's Yes Please. This could be a good craft option. The other side is just a really subtle little dot pattern. This is from Finders Keepers. This was another one that I was gravitating towards as my bold jumping off point, although using this as a full page kind of scares me a little bit. I'm not quite sure what photos I would put with that, but we'll see. The other side is this really lovely orange. This is Better Together. And I did create a layout with glasses for my daughter. I am going to be scrapbooking her grad photos for this next set. So this could work. And the other side is just a really easy black and white polka dot. And this is from On a Whim, and I have 2 sheets of this. So I can either make a double page, keep them both out, use one, doesn't really matter. And then the other side is just a black grid. Good for matting pictures. And then also from On a Whim, I have 2 of these as well. I don't know why, but there you go. And then the other side is a bright green polka dot. And then my Dear Lizzy papers, I think this, I don't have any from her first collection, I don't think. This is documentary. More circles that I could punch out. But that's a really pretty, like, tealy, greeny blue. Fifth and Frolic. Love all the little photo frames. A nice neutral horizontal stripe there. This is from Daydreamer, and oh no, I don't have 2 of those. I have 1 of these. Lovely pink on the other side. Also from Daydreamer. Nice cameras I could cut apart. And a very simple blue on the back. And then from Lovely Day, I have 2 of these. A nice balloon pattern for all the hot air ballooning photos that I have. But the other side is just gorgeous. And I have 2 of those. I think that's why I bought 2, because it's gorgeous. So yeah, so those are all the papers I have. And that's a lot, I realize. But I'm sure we can work from there. Now, we were tasked to bring in 1 set of embellishments from each collection. So I've gone through everything that I have, and I've pulled out what I have. Okay, so I have 2 different ones from Paige Evans' collection. I've already used a couple of these on other things. And then I don't think I've ever opened this. Nope, it's still sealed shut. So it could be a good time to get those on a layout. And then also from Pink Paisley, I've got a couple of different letter sticker options, both black and white, that are just lounging in my stash. And then this set as well, from Hello Sunshine, a whole lot of chipboard, one of those waterfall packs. I'm pretty sure I haven't used a single thing on here, so it might be time to get those in a layout. And then from Amy Tangerine, I have got really old, I don't remember which collection this was from, but these are like see-through stickers. So that's what I have left there. I've also got some rub-ons, which may or may not work still. And then I've got a couple of ephemera packs with, honestly, just little bits and pieces left in them. And then I have this as well. So more sort of see-through stickers. That's what I have left. And then I have even fewer things from Dear Lizzy. I have like 1/2 of a 6x12 sheet. I'm not sure where the other half is. And then this very picked apart and falling apart sticker sheet. I've also got from Pink Paisley a couple of an ephemera pack there, and a washi booklet, which is mostly picked through. From Dear Lizzy, this is a really old set of word and icon stickers. Let's see, what else do I have over here? Got a couple other I was just going through and picking all of my Pink Paisley things, you know. Give myself some options. Figure the colors would be a good match. I also have some wood veneer. I think these are from Yes Please or Finders Keepers. I'm pretty sure those are Amy Tangerine. I could be wrong. And I think that's an Amy Tangerine frame. Again, could be wrong. These are just lying loose in my stash. I also went through and I've got a few from a Dear Lizzy cut apart. I don't know which one anymore. And then this is from an Amy Tangerine cut apart. I don't know which kit anymore. So lots of journaling cards that I could maybe try and get onto some layouts. And a few other things, bits and pieces from my stash, some more wood veneer, some more sort of chipboard, some fabric butterflies that I could color to match. Lots and lots and lots. So this is quite a full kit, but there's lots of papers, so I wanted to give myself lots of options. And that's it. So we'll see what I can make from all this. Thanks, guys.